Book of Heaven, Volume 11, March 19, 1914. The soul who diffuses herself in the divine will forms the jewel and the amusement of the three divine persons. It seems that Blessed Jesus wants to speak about his most holy will. I was diffusing myself in his whole interior, in his thoughts, desires, affections, in his will, in his love, in everything. And Jesus, with infinite sweetness, told me,
"Oh, if you knew the contentment that one who does my will gives me, your heart would break with joy. See, as you were diffusing yourself in my thoughts, desires, etc., you formed the amusement of my thoughts, and my desires, fusing in yours, played together with them. Your affections, united to your will and to your love, running and flying into my affections, into my will and love, kissed one another, and pouring like a rapid stream into the immense sea of the Eternal One, they amused themselves with the divine persons, now with the Father, now with me, now with the Holy Spirit. Then, wanting to give no time to one another, we all play with her, the three of us together, and we make of her our jewel. And this jewel is so dear to us that, since it must form our amusement, we keep it jealously ad intra, in the intimate part of our will. And when the creatures embitter us and offend us, in order to be cheered, we take our jewel, and we amuse ourselves together.